Welcome to this lesson on the zero article in English. The zero article means using no article before a noun. It's just as important as using the correct article. Understanding when to omit articles will help you speak English more naturally and correctly. There are four main categories where we use the zero article. First, with plural nouns when speaking generally. Second, with uncountable nouns. Third, with proper nouns like names and places. And fourth, when making generalizations about things. Let's explore each category in detail. The first category is plural nouns. When you talk about things in general using their plural form, you don't use an article. For example, say, I like cats, not I like the cats. When you say dogs are loyal animals, you're speaking generally about all dogs, so no article is needed. But if you want to talk about specific dogs, then you use the. For example, the dogs on the table are loyal. The second category is uncountable nouns. These are things you cannot count individually. Water, music, information, furniture, advice, and equipment are uncountable. Say water is essential for life, not the water is essential. However, when you refer to specific water, like water in a cup, you say the water in the cup is cold. Common uncountable words include music, information, furniture, advice, equipment, and luggage. The third category is proper nouns. Proper nouns are the names of specific people, places, languages, days, and months. Never use an article with proper nouns. Say Paris is in France, not the Paris is in the France. Say John works on Monday in January. Say I study English and biology. Proper nouns already identify something specific, so they don't need articles. The fourth category is generalizations. When you make a general statement about a group of things, don't use an article. Say dogs are loyal animals, not the dogs are loyal animals. Say summer is hot and winter is cold. Say I enjoy basketball and tennis. These are general truths, so the zero article is correct. The key is that you're speaking about all dogs, all summers, or things in general, not specific ones. Let's compare zero article with the article the. Use zero article when speaking generally. Say cats are animals, or I speak English, or water is important, or Sarah loves music. Use the when you're speaking about something specific. Say the cat's in my house, the English language, the water in the glass, or the music at the concert. The difference is general versus specific. Remember these important points. Use zero article with plural nouns in general statements like cats are animals. Use zero article with uncountable nouns when speaking generally, like music is beautiful. Always use zero article with proper nouns like names and places. Use zero article when making generalizations like elephants are big. Here's a helpful tip. Ask yourself, am I talking about something specific or general? If it's general, use zero article. Practice these rules, and you'll master the zero article in no time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.